But if you have more money, so hooligans and killers came at your home and pick up your kids or your parents, and then they will demand money.
Then if we have money, then we can give them. And if they don't have money, so we can't give them. If we have money, then if
Okay, so conclusion is that money is important and not important also, because if you have money, so you can also become lazy greedy, and if you have money, you can become lazy greedy, but you don't have to this. And most of people,
You must welcome Global Spoken.
it means that money is not everything, but they are in the favor of money is everything. And my first point is that most people think that money is the most important thing, but this is not true, because you can buy many things with money, but you cannot buy a true love, peace, and happiness with money. And with money, you can buy a very good clock, but you cannot buy time. You can buy a book, but not knowledge. Like this, you cannot do many things. But people understand that the money is the meaning of life, but this is not good. So I'm telling that money is not everything.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Dashan Pal. I'm in the favor of money is not everything. I think money is not everything. Money provides a man all riches, necessities, amenities, and luxuries. It is not a wholesome for a man. There are other things. Money can procure all means of happiness, but money is not happiness itself. There are things other their money which can rise a man higher in life. It is an old saying. Man is not born for money alone. The famous men like poets and philosophers lived and died in poverty, but with contentment. And they are still remembered and honored for their great work. We should think even our money behind and do something for this mankind, so that we should so that we will be great of this humanity.
My name is Gaurav. My topic is money is honey. You have money. You can purchase all things. You have everything. You have money. You have go any place.
Money is not necessary. Money can't buy happiness. If you have a lot of money, you every time create about our mind. Money, if you have a lot of money, you think about our career, and if you start any shop and any work, that damage after you get down and get lost, and you can ill like diabetes and sugar and many type ill. Money is not necessary nowadays. Before many years, all people very happy, because that time all people very do hard work and very strong. But nowadays many people very lazy and very ill all time. If you have a lot of money, your son went to the dog like smoking and tobacco and etc. But if you have some money, you will very happy, and your son don't went to other dog. If you have a lot of money nowadays, after you get without on the sky, and your money used to your parents and your son and daughter, and in my opinion, I consider if you have some money, you very happy because if you have a lot of money, you think every time and every day, every night, what will I do? What will I do? And if you have a lot of money, you you will not good feeling sleeping time and breakfast time all through day and all through night everything about our money and if you have a lot of money peer people meet you not very fast because of your money. If you have a lot of money, many people behind and beside, in front, standing and sitting, and pure and watchman. First you ask the watchman after you entered and meet you. I consider if you have a lot of money, very you sorry, but
You are right that if you have kids, so you cannot fulfill their demand. But if you have more money, so hooligans and killers came at your home and pick up your kids or your parents, and then they will demand money.
Then if we have money, then we can give them. And if we don't have money, so we can't give them. If we have money, then if killer they demand from us money, then we can give them money very easily because we have money. That's why we can give. But if any hooligans, any kidnapper kidnaps your home, how will you save them?
The kidnapper will not kidnap our family, poor family, because he know that he has not money and he cannot give.
No, he does not mind. They don't feel like this. They want money so what? If you wanna save your parents, if you wanna save your family, then you will have to give money. You will have to manage money.
Yeah, you are right. But if you give money, you have money, you will give money. So you cannot claim that they will give your parents or kids or not.
Why if we give money, so why they will not give? Sometimes it happens that when we give money, even if they kill. But when we will go to give money to the killers, then we will take the police and with us we will take some security also. Then how can we go?
But he says that you have to come alone. He has a gun and he can kill your parents that time.
So we will not take with us. That our security will hide with themselves. They will not come in front. As that hooligan, as that killer, they hide their security. They hide your hide his bodyguard that like that. We will also hide our that bodyguard.
Yeah, you are right. You will hide. But when we are hooligans say that you have to come, first of all, they search full area.
Yeah, I know they search your whole area. But when we will go to take save our parents, our family, then we will also make plans. We will also make plan that how will we go and where we will go and how we will give money. Like this, everything we will plan and after that we will go to give. Then how can we give? But if you don't have money, then if you go alone also and if you go with security also, even if you will not give. If you have money, so you can take your parents again. But if you don't have money, how will you take your parents? How will you save your family? How will you save?
By police?
But if police will or means mostly police, they also demand money. Means if you are very much poor, then how will you go to police?
Why? Violence we can go and every police is not demand for money. Only some police demand for money.
Yeah, okay. Means if you have taken police also, this is if you have taken police also, even then how many polices can you take? How many police can you take?
Yeah, about 10 police by 90.
Only 10 police. In 10 police, what will happen, sir?
So, if you take more police, so how can you take your parents?
If I take a lot of police and a a lot of secretary, then I can save very easily.
Yeah, but he has to do it like this, and he can kill that time.
But if you go alone,
Yeah,
if you don't have money, how can you save?
by security.
But if you don't have money, how will you?
Yeah, we can give there is not can give money back by anything.
Okay. So, for basic answer, I want to ask one question from you. That so, if you don't have money, can you marry your friend? Can you marry yourself and your family, your daughter, your son, your sister? If you don't have money, can you marry them?
No, ma'am, I agree with you. I have not money, then I will not marry. I cannot marry. But uh, I can marry. Mm,
How?
I'm telling you, I I will distribute card. If university gets a card, only some people.
But sir, as you know, in the world what is happening, without dowry you can't marry. Whether they are rich or poor, they need car, motorcycle like this, they need in marriage. You will have to give them dowry. Without dowry you can't marry. Whether they are poor or rich, they need dowry, they need. It's rule of our old.
But it is not the rule of government.
I know it is not rule of government, but like all people made this rule. And they all people take dowry. And listen, at your home they don't take dowry.
No,
They don't take.
don't demand if they have to give, also give, and if they don't have to give, don't give.
But mostly people is not like this.
Yeah, mostly people is not like this, but some people are like
Only
this.
10-20% people are here that they don't give a dowry. But after before marriage they will show that yeah, if you give me dowry then I will take it. That is not enough. But after marriage they will say that no, I need dowry. If you don't give me dowry, I will get mercy. Not in my, it's not my thinking.
Because every people don't give and take dowry and don't demand for dowry. Because there are crore of people in this world. So how can you say that everyone will demand dowry?
So we are not saying that everyone will demand.
Yeah. So some people will only demand. Who will not demand from that we can
Some
marry.
people will not demand and everyone will demand.
Not everyone.
Some people will not demand only, but most people they will demand dowry.
Yeah. Some people only demand.
Actually same.
Yeah, like you. Okay, so conclusion is that money is important and not important also, because if you have money, so you can also become lazy greedy, and if you have money, you can become lazy greedy, but you don't have to give.